Now, as the geopolitical landscape shifts, Ukraine is caught in a perfect storm of dwindling support and mounting challenges. Our next report decodes how Ukraine is bracing for the potential impact of a second Donald Trump presidency, and that could drastically alter its political fortunes.
Ukraine's forces are struggling to hold ground in the face of the relentless Russian assault. Forced to fight with arms meant to be scrapped, Kyiv is desperately appealing to allies for more weapons and ammunition for its forces. But even as the better equipped and more numerous Russian forces are gaining ground in the east of the country, a new blow has emerged from an unexpected quarter for Kyiv. Germany, a key ally, has announced plans to slash its military aid to Ukraine by half in the coming year. The timing of the reduction couldn't have been worse for Ukraine. Germany wants to slash its military spending from $8 billion in 2024 to just over $4 billion in 2025. Added to the prospect of a potential Trump presidency looming on the horizon, international support for Kyiv's cause seems to be fast eroding. Adding to Ukraine's woes, Donald Trump has tapped J.D. Vance as his running mate for the upcoming US presidential election. Vance, like Trump, has been a vocal critic of aid to Ukraine, advocating instead a pivot towards Asia. All of which signals a likely seismic shift in US foreign policy should the Republican ticket prevail in November. Trump's rhetoric on ending the war swiftly even before taking office has raised concerns about Ukraine being pressured into unfavorable negotiations with Moscow. The uncertainty surrounding Trump's actual policies, often described as a black box by foreign diplomats, is only adding to the anxiety in Kyiv. Bureau Report WION, World is One.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.